Hello, and thanks for joining me. Well, here a while back I was using my rotary table on the mill to cut a curve, and I was making some deep cuts, and my rotary table started messing up. It was binding, and I don't know a lot about it, but I'm going to take it apart today and see if I can't figure out see if I didn't damage it, or see if there's some burrs in there I need to get rid of. Let's get started on it. Okay, this is probably a fairly inexpensive rotary table, but it should work fine, but it's binding up, so we're going to see what's going on. I got a little blow apart diagram here, but it's not real clear. A little thrust bearing sitting in there. Well, that was pretty easy. Well, boy, oh boy, a broken gear. I wonder if I can order one. Worm gear looks okay. Well, I guess that's the next step. Contact the manufacturer and see if I can get a worm gear. Okay, through the magic of video, I have a gear. It's different, but I think it'll work. See the number of holes? 3 holes versus 6 holes. I think they just decided 3 holes was more than enough. Seeing as how the gear stripped out, the gear is probably weaker than 6 bolts. I hope it fits. It looks the same. Yeah, good thing that gear is a bad gear. Oh no! No! It doesn't fit. The teeth count and the holes line up perfect. But this hole is bigger in diameter than this one. I guess I can turn that in my lathe and enlarge that to fit perfectly there. Okay, I need to go about 37 thousandths. Okay, that's got it. I cut a little chamfer on that edge right there. Just because it's probably got a radius on what it fits to there, and the original also has that chamfer. Oh, perfect. If the screw holes line up, we're doing good. Heck yeah. Must have been several different models of this same rotary table that they changed the design on. This is a thrust bearing. This lever right here engages that worm gear. I think that's what damaged it to begin with, is this lever slipped up while I was rotating it. I like it. Well, I got to take it apart again. These screws that held the gear, slightly different length. I don't know if you can see it in here. The screw's sticking up right there where you put a T-nut in, and it's going to hit it. So I got to take it back apart and change that screw. Put that shorter screw in. I tightened that all the way up and then backed it off about 1/8 of a turn. Seems to be about right. Yeah, that's got it. Well, that about wraps up the gear replacement in a Grizzly 6-inch rotary table. Thanks for joining me. Be sure and subscribe.